All right, guys, 1999 Ford F-150 4.6 liter V8 Triton. He was gifted this truck and he's like, I need sound out of it. I can't have it like this. He's been looking for body parts for it. So if you guys know anybody that has body parts for it that are not crazy high, let him know. He's fixing it up little by little. So let him know in the comments when you guys do see the video. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done to it. So we haven't touched it here. As you can see, it's got, it's fully straight pipe. Somebody else cut the cats off. And then we started here and ran true duals. He wanted a true dual system on it. So that's what we did right there. And then we installed the Borla ProXS muffler, part number 400286. Dual in, dual out, right there. Then two tailpipes out the back, one on each side, 2 1/4. It's a full 2 1/4 system, by the way, guys, if you didn't know. Borla ProXS. And then we finished it off nicely with some rolled 5-inch tips right there and right there. Came out really beautiful, really clean. There'll be a link in the description for that muffler, by the way, guys. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And this is where it was widened. That's where we cut. And that's the system that we took off, the stock system that was on it. We cut all that off and true dualed it in its place. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, hit that subscribe. All right, guys, 1999 Ford F-150 4.6 liter Triton. Let me show you guys what we've done. As you guys can see, converters there, converters there. It used to wire into a single. Now it's true dualed. We true dualed it all the way back. And we used to put a hanger just in the middle here, but they always broke. So after we started putting a piece of pipe in the middle like this, it stopped breaking. We stopped having vibrations. We stopped having a lot of issues. So muffler shop, if you're watching, start doing a pipe in the middle of them instead of a hanger, because the hangers always break. All right. So it's 2 1/4 in the middle. Then NTR race mufflers, part number NTR 250. Right there, 2 of them. They sound phenomenal on anything we've put them on so far. So we like to use this platform. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side, as you can see. And then it's finished off nicely. 3.5 inch by 16 rolled tips. There and there. New hangers, new hardware, everything. It looks absolutely phenomenal, as you guys can see. True dual with NTR race mufflers. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear. I hope you guys like it. And there's the muffler that was on it. It's all rotted out. We took it off. 99 Ford F-150 true duals with Borla ProXS. Go ahead. Much better. That's clean. Is that exactly what you wanted? All right. He likes it. We like it. And we appreciate his services in the National Guard. So we appreciate his service too. That's the nice thing about Borla ProXS is when it's an idle, look how quiet it is. Very quiet. Idle is like 72. And then when you get on it, it's 108, 109. Perfect. Got a nice pop to it at the top.
Decent now, it sounds like a truck.
Yes, exactly. They just look good on them. So this side's really clean. You see that, guys? And he put a cold air intake on it too. That's a good sounding truck. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. Back to the action. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Go ahead. F-150 Super Crew. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. That sucker's loud. Again? Yeah. All right, back it on out. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. This is our beautiful shop. We're right down the street from Skyline Hospital and right before Due West Avenue. Come get you some. Ford F-150 Crew Cab. It's so loud. I love it. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Borla ProXS Ford F-150 99. All the way back to Lewisburg. We appreciate him bringing it down. Thanks for being a fan, man. Enjoy, guys. Got them wide wheels on it, too. True duels on a Ford F-150 with NTR race mufflers. Excuse me, guys, I just sneezed. That sounds phenomenal. Enjoy, guys.